The survival of wildlife in the rainforest epitomizes the relentless struggle for life amid the brutality of nature and external threats. The interplay of predator and prey, combined with the impact of human activity, creates a precarious existence for many species. Understanding these dynamics is essential for conservation efforts, ensuring that the invaluable biodiversity of the rainforest endures for generations to come. As stewards of the environment, humanity holds the responsibility to safeguard these ecosystems, recognizing that the fight for survival is not solely that of the wildlife, but a shared challenge that reflects our own future on this planet. Each year, the ripening of banyan fruit heralds a remarkable spectacle in the tropical rainforest ecosystem. During this period, the great hornbills, majestic avian inhabitants of this lush environment, converge upon the sprawling banyan tree to partake in an annual feast that not only sustains them, but also strengthens social bonds within their species. This communal feeding event is more than a mere culinary indulgence. It serves as a vital social occasion for the hornbills. Here, they engage in playful interactions, strengthening their familial and social ties. Such gatherings are essential for the maintenance of herd dynamics, promoting cooperation amongst members of their groups. Moreover, the feast also plays a significant ecological role. By consuming the banyan fruit and later dispersing the seeds through their droppings, great hornbills contribute to the propagation of the banyan tree and other flora within the rainforest. This mutualistic relationship underscores the importance of species interdependencies that sustain the delicate balance of this vibrant ecosystem. The ripening of banyan fruit each year is not merely an event for the great hornbills, but a pivotal occasion that reinforces their social structures and contributes to the ecological integrity of the rainforest. As they revel in their shared feast, they embody the beauty of nature's cycles, illustrating how interconnected life truly is in the heart of the rainforest. In the depths of the rainforest, where the ambient sounds of nature intertwine with the rustling foliage, the southern red muntjac family ventures forth in search of nourishment. This modest deer, characterized by its small stature and distinctive antlers, exemplifies the delicate balance of life within such a diverse ecosystem. As daylight breaks through the dense canopy, illuminating patches of verdant grass, the muntjac family emerges from their sheltered haven. Their acute sense of smell and keen eyesight guide them through the thick underbrush, where the rich aromas of the rainforest beckon them. Despite their inherent shyness, driven by hunger, these creatures cautiously navigate their surroundings, ever vigilant of potential predators. The grass, a vital source of sustenance, serves not only to satiate their hunger, but also to maintain their health and vigor. For the southern red muntjac, grazing is a communal activity. The family unit forages together, reinforcing social bonds while simultaneously contributing to the stability of their population. This pursuit of food is both a necessity and a reflection of the intricate connections inherent in the ecosystem. Where every action reverberates through the web of life, the southern red muntjac's quest for grass in the tranquil rainforest encapsulates the essence of survival within this vibrant habitat. Their search, marked by caution and cooperation, highlights the profound relationship between an animal and its environment, reminding us of the delicate interplay that sustains life in the wild. Cold rainforest rivers are vital ecosystems that host a remarkable diversity of fish species. These unique environments, characterized by consistent rainfall and cooler temperatures, provide ideal habitats for various aquatic life forms. The complex interplay of water chemistry, temperature, and vegetation in these rivers supports a rich array of fish, each adapted to the specific conditions of cold, freshwater ecosystems. One of the primary reasons for this biodiversity is the abundance of nutrients available in cold rainforest rivers. The lush vegetation surrounding these waterways contributes organic matter, which not only supports primary producers like algae, but also sustains a variety of fish species. From small fry to larger predatory fish, the availability of food resources fosters a dynamic food web. Additionally, these rivers often serve as crucial spawning grounds for many fish species, The cooler water temperatures are conducive to the reproductive cycles of certain fish, such as salmon and trout, which thrive in such environments. As they migrate upstream to spawn, they contribute to the ecological balance, serving as a significant food source for other wildlife. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these fragile ecosystems. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change threaten the delicate balance of cold rainforest rivers. By safeguarding these environments, we ensure the survival of the numerous fish species that inhabit them and uphold the ecological integrity of these biodiverse aquatic systems. This early morning, beneath the sprawling branches of a majestic banyan tree, two white-handed gibbons delight in a symphony of life as they climb elegantly to partake in the ripe banyan fruit. The gibbons, with their striking white hands contrasting sharply against their dark fur, present a captivating spectacle as they swing effortlessly from limb to limb. This scene encapsulates not only the beauty of nature, but also the intricate relationships among the inhabitants of our ecosystems. The banyan tree, a symbol of strength and longevity, serves as both habitat and feast for these nimble primates. Its extensive root system and wide canopy provide shelter and sustenance, embodying the interdependence of flora and fauna. The gibbons, known for their acrobatic prowess and melodious calls, exhibit an undeniable joy in their foraging. Their animated movements suggest a harmonious existence within their environment, underscoring the innate connection between species and their habitats. As the gibbons grasp the sweet banyan fruit, their expressions of hunger juxtapose their visible happiness. This duality speaks to the basic instincts that drive survival, while simultaneously highlighting the profound enjoyment that can coexist with necessity. It is a reminder that within the pursuit of sustenance, there lies an essence of joy that permeates the natural world. The gibbons' playful interactions and vocalizations not only contribute to their social bonding, but also resonate with the echoes of their surroundings, creating a lively ambiance that celebrates their existence. Furthermore, observing such moments invites contemplation on the broader implications for biodiversity and conservation. The actions of these gibbons are emblematic of the delicate balance that sustains ecosystems. As they navigate the banyan tree, they play a crucial role in seed dispersal, contributing to the health and regeneration of their habitat. Protecting such environments is essential not only for the survival of gibbons, but for the myriad species that share their world. underscoring our collective responsibility to preserve natural habitats amid increasing environmental pressures. The vivid imagery of two white-handed gibbons climbing the banyan tree in the early morning invokes a sense of wonder and appreciation for the intricacies of nature. Their joyous foraging rituals serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life and the innate happiness that can be found in simple acts of survival. As we reflect on this harmonious scene, it is imperative that we recognize our role in safeguarding the natural world, ensuring that future generations may also revel in the beauty and vitality of such moments that define our planet's rich tapestry of life. Rainforests are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet, harboring an astonishing array of flora and fauna, many of which are endemic to these regions. However, the increasing frequency and intensity of forest fires pose a significant threat to the delicate balance of life within these habitats. As humans continue to encroach upon these ecosystems through agriculture, urban development, and resource extraction, the imminent danger of forest fires escalates. It is imperative to recognize the urgent need to protect rainforest wildlife from the devastating impacts of such fires, not only to preserve biodiversity, but also to sustain the ecological health of our planet. Forest fires, whether natural or anthropogenic, lead to the destruction of habitats that countless species depend upon for survival. These fires release massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change and exacerbating the conditions that lead to further wildfires in the future. The immediate consequences of these fires are catastrophic. Animals lose their homes, food sources, and in many cases, their lives. Species that are already endangered find themselves on the precipice of extinction due to habitat loss and the disruption of reproductive cycles. This alarming trend underscores the interconnection between human activities and wildlife conservation, signaling an urgent need for protective measures. One foundational action to mitigate the risk of forest fires and their impact on wildlife is the establishment and enforcement of controlled burning practices. Such practices, grounded in indigenous knowledge and modern science, can reduce the fuel load within forests, making them less susceptible to catastrophic fires. Furthermore, preserving fire-dependent ecosystems through careful management can aid in maintaining the natural order of wildlife habitats. Collaborating with local communities, particularly indigenous populations with traditional ecological knowledge, can enhance these efforts, fostering a sense of stewardship and responsibility for the land. In addition to controlled burns, there is an unequivocal need to strengthen legal protections for rainforests. This includes increasing the enforcement of laws against illegal logging, agricultural expansion, and land clearing that often ignites uncontrolled fires. International cooperation is essential in this regard. As rainforest destruction is a global issue that transcends national boundaries. By promoting policies that prioritize conservation and sustainable land use, nations can support the resilience of these vital ecosystems. Public awareness and education also play crucial roles in wildlife protection. By informing individuals of the environmental consequences of forest fires, particularly those associated with climate change and habitat destruction, society can foster a collective responsibility toward rainforest conservation. Engaging in advocacy and supporting organizations dedicated to safeguarding these ecosystems can mobilize community efforts to protect wildlife. Encouraging sustainable consumer practices, such as responsible sourcing of products that do not contribute to deforestation, is vital in altering consumer behavior that influences agricultural practices. The protection of rainforest wildlife from the increasing threat of forest fires necessitates immediate and comprehensive action. By implementing sustainable land management practices, strengthening legal protections, and raising public awareness, we can preserve the rich biodiversity of rainforests and ensure the survival of countless species. The call to action is clear: to safeguard these natural treasures, not only for their intrinsic value, but also for the profound role they play in global ecology. The time to act is now, as the survival of our planet's vital ecosystems hangs in the balance. Thank you for your continued support and for taking the time to watch my Forest Wildlife channel. Your engagement is greatly appreciated. Thank you for being an integral part of this journey. Your support empowers us to continue showcasing the wonders of our natural world and to inspire a collective effort toward its preservation. Let us remain united in our passion for wildlife and our commitment to ensuring that future generations can experience the magic of our forests.